Wi-Fi 7, the next era of wireless speed and performance. Wi-Fi 7, also known as IEEE 802.11be Extremely High Throughput EHD, is the latest generation of Wi-Fi technology designed to deliver unprecedented wireless performance, speed, and efficiency. It builds upon the advancements of Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E, introducing new features that significantly enhance user experiences across homes, enterprises, and industrial environments. One of the most remarkable features of Wi-Fi 7 is its blazing fast speed. It supports theoretical data rates of up to 46 gigabits per second, which is more than 4 times faster than Wi-Fi 6. This dramatic increase in speed is achieved through a combination of advanced technologies, such as 320 MHz channel bandwidth for QAM, quadrature amplitude modulation, and multi-link operation MLO. Key features of Wi-Fi 7. 320 MHz channel bandwidth. Wi-Fi 7 doubles the maximum channel bandwidth from 160 MHz, used in Wi-Fi 6, to 320 MHz in the 6 GHz band. This wider bandwidth allows for faster data transmission and is ideal for bandwidth-intensive applications like 8K video streaming, AR/VR, and cloud gaming. 4K QAM. Wi-Fi 7 uses 4096 QAM modulation, which allows more data to be encoded in each transmission. This boosts throughput by approximately 20% compared to Wi-Fi SXS 1024 QAM, enabling smoother and more reliable high-speed connections. Multi-link operation, MLO. MLO is a groundbreaking feature that enables devices to transmit and receive data simultaneously across multiple frequency bands, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz. This not only increases speed, but also improves reliability and reduces latency, making it perfect for real-time applications like online gaming, video conferencing, and industrial automation. Reduce latency and jitter. Wi-Fi 7 is designed to deliver extremely low latency, which is crucial for time-sensitive applications. Enhanced scheduling and simultaneous transmission on multiple links result in a smoother, more responsive experience. Improved network efficiency. With features like multi-RU, resource unit, puncturing, Wi-Fi 7 can utilize fragmented spectrum more effectively. This enhances spectrum efficiency, especially in crowded environments, ensuring better performance even in areas with heavy Wi-Fi usage. Use cases and benefits. Home entertainment. Supports seamless 8K video streaming, multi-device connectivity, and cloud gaming without buffering or lag. Enterprise networks. Enables reliable, high-speed connections for remote work, large file transfers, and collaboration tools. Industrial applications. Supports real-time control systems, robotics, and industrial IoT devices with ultra-reliable low-latency connections. Education and healthcare. Facilitates immersive AR/VR-based learning and reliable telemedicine services. Backward compatibility. Wi-Fi 7 is backward compatible with previous Wi-Fi generations, ensuring smooth integration with existing devices while paving the way for the future.